Hello and welcome to today's session. In this discussion for Unit 2, Programming and Scripting, we will explore the journey from programming theory to practical implementation. Using the example of an automated ticketing system for the Centrala Transport Authority, we will see how coding and testing bring real-world solutions to life, linking theory directly to practice. The assignment is part of a Level 4 diploma in computer studies. It requires developing a ticketing system for an underground network. The grading is pass, merit, and distinction. There are three main tasks: theory, design, and coding. All pass criteria must be met before aiming for higher grades. Centrala Underground is implementing a new ticketing system. It will be based on zones for electronic ticketing. Users select their start and destination zones. The system calculates the total zones traveled. Fares are charged per zone based on traveler type. Task 1 focuses on programming theory. You need to create a leaflet or blog. It should explain programming paradigms and Python constructs. Differences between programming and scripting must be included. This task requires only pass criteria. Task 2 involves system design. You will produce presentation slides. They must document functionality and user interface design. Design tools like flowcharts and pseudocode are essential. Justifying design decisions can earn merit. Task 3 is about coding and testing. Python coding should follow PEP 8 standards. Input validation is crucial. A comprehensive test plan is required. User testing is also part of this task. Merit criteria include additional tasks. Task 3 M1 involves creating a version control primer. Task 4 M1 recommends documentation strategies. These tasks enhance the assignment's depth. They require a deeper understanding of the processes. Distinction criteria further challenge students. Task 3, D1, evaluates the value of version control. Task 4, D1, evaluates the solution against the client brief. These tasks require critical analysis. Achieving distinction demonstrates advanced comprehension. For Task 1, evidence submission is crucial. A leaflet or blog document must be provided. It should cover all programming theory aspects. This evidence is necessary for passing. Ensure clarity and depth in the explanations. Task 2 requires design presentation slides. These slides should be comprehensive and detailed. They must include functionality and design aspects. Justification of design decisions is essential for merit. Ensure all elements are well documented. Task 3 evidence involves Python code and testing. A test plan and analysis must be included. User testing results are part of the submission. This evidence shows practical application skills. Ensure all coding follows PEP 8 standards. Creating a version control primer is part of merit. It should explain common GIT commands. This task enhances understanding of version control. It is crucial for collaborative coding environments. Ensure the primer is clear and informative. A recommendation for documentation strategy is required. This is part of the merit criteria. It involves installation and integration strategies. Clear documentation aids in system implementation. Ensure recommendations are practical and actionable. Evaluating version control is part of distinction. It involves understanding its value in projects. This task requires critical analysis. It demonstrates the importance of version control. Ensure the evaluation is thorough and insightful. Evaluating the solution against the client brief is crucial. This is part of distinction criteria. It involves assessing how well the solution meets requirements. This evaluation demonstrates understanding of client needs. Ensure it is detailed and comprehensive. Each task has specific submission requirements. Task 1 requires a leaflet or blog. Task 2 needs design slides. Task 3 involves Python code and test plans. Ensure all evidence is complete and well documented. This assignment integrates theory, design, and coding. It challenges students to create a comprehensive system. Achieving merit and distinction requires deeper analysis and documentation. Feel free to reach out on WhatsApp at 074-84361-688 if you have questions. Our team will be delighted to help. Thank you, and see you at the next session.